Hello, my gangsters. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to build JUDELOW'S very expensive funnels. Well, I'm not gonna call them expensive because they're actually like hella cheap. But he never really made a tutorial, and when I was trying to learn how to make them, I could never find one on the internet. So for people like me, I got you. So it's like really cheap, and it's like the killing chamber basically. I don't think he's ever shown to do that, but I'm just gonna get straight into it. And please like and subscribe, please. This is my first video on this channel. Okay, so basically, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put the hopper, and then immediately put some armor sleeves in here, however many you want. I'm just gonna put that many, and then you're gonna go like that, and you're gonna have to push the slab in with a piston, and then you're gonna go 3 blocks up like that, so just like that. And like if it's in a trap, you just put like a crafting table or whatever down there. That doesn't really matter, but they might be able to escape if you don't put that. So now it's gonna take your piston and like bring like, I don't know, any kind of redstone line to wherever you want. It has to go down 1 block though, because then you're gonna go like that, and then you're gonna go like that, and put a sticky piston up there, and then I don't know, whatever building block you choose. Then I think this is good. Yeah. So then you're gonna go like that and make this kind of mini V setup, and it's gonna put max tick repeater, and then a redstone torch, and then it's literally that simple. It just works. So you can't jump to escape. Just pushing you down and you're dead. Also, no, you cannot make this any faster with the observer, or else you can like I'm gonna kill myself. Okay, see, you can do that. You can basically do that forever and it's gonna jump. So it has to be at 4 ticks, and this one is just regular observer. Why did I say observer repeater? So yay, JUDELOW funnel. And if this video gets 10 likes, I don't know, 10 likes, yeah, I will show you how to build the killing chamber. Yay! Oh my god! Yay! 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 Okay, bye.